The Khnam National Awakening Movement, Khnam, has again reiterated its stand to do away with the personal interviews for posts in Group B, C and D. Youth Wing President of Khnam, Thomas Basa, pointed out that the central government has put up a notification doing away with personal interviews. He reminded the government that Khnam has sent a memorandum that Meghalaya should also follow the centre's notification. Basa also urged upon a proper recruitment policy in the state, alleging that unemployed youth fill up application forms for jobs only to receive call letters after 3 years.
Interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other weaker section. Tinggi kuat bahwa kesorkan Meghalaya kanwanra nak recruitment policy kanwanra ke SOP. Kenang bahwa kandung ke time frame kan. Haba pikot mentak advertisement hadin hapo isi benai pilihan kot nak kena tindas. Hapo isi benai arbenai pilihan declare ni result nang tak pada simultaneously ban apa yang nak result kan.
And a quick look at the weather report now.